Alright, so what's going on, guys? Trying to do a little analysis, if you will, just to kind of keep myself honest to my trading rules and stuff like that to help my trading improve. By no means am I an expert, or have I been super profitable in my trading or anything like that. So don't take my advice. But this is a way to, like I said, just keep myself honest and just dive straight into it. So, trade that I had this past Friday, which was the best trade that I have gotten today. Again, just on a demo account, but like I said, this is to give myself the confidence I need to progress into a live account. So, I noticed, snapped over to the US dollar, Japanese yen, which has been kind of on a downward path here for a while now, and I just started throwing up some trend lines. I did notice this right away here. We had been pushing down. Here, but I also noticed this wick over here, right? So that tells me, I believe, that some momentum is potentially coming out of this market, right? It's coming into a support zone region somewhere around this area, right? So further looking at this, right, zooming in even further on the daily here, I noticed we were back above this EMA that I have on here, which is 8 EMA, and I'm noticing again more of these wicks down to the downside here, telling me that the momentum's gone and we're shifting back up. So that being said, drop down to a 4-hour, and then I noticed we kind of have this V going on here, and let me show you what I mean by that. So I saw this, right, kind of holding this area, boom, 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 and then the other side of this as well, right? So, and look at this. So we draw this up, boom, boom, boom. Now, I saw this, and at the time that I was looking, like I said, it was Friday, so this hadn't happened just yet, right here. I seen that we had come above this, and we had made this high. So I saw this long wick, saw that the, again, momentum is being taken out of the market to the bearish side, and I'm thinking that the buyers are in control, right? So I'm thinking that we could be at a strong level here, especially in this 1405 range, 145 range. So I went ahead and threw on a fib here, just to kind of get it warm and fuzzy about what was going on. So I drew it to this high, and like I said, the time that I was looking was on Friday. So if we drop down to even further, I noticed again, because the time I caught this was early Friday morning, and it was leaving these wicks behind after coming down and retesting this previous structure. So again, my edge that I'm trying to implement to the market is pretty simple. It's nothing fancy. Right? Structure, support, and resistance. Try to keep things simple for myself, and that's exactly what this trade setup in particular had done for me. So it previously broken this high, came back, retested, came up a little bit higher, but again came down into the zone for that double retest, and started pulling back up towards the top. So once I saw this kind of happening, we're in this little area, if you will, this little support region. I started zooming in real quick because I was like, you know, this could be something. So I dropped all the way down to a 15-minute time frame because I was watching this very closely as this price action was unfolding. and then all of a sudden this candle right here, I was expecting to go up. This candle right here shot up very quickly. A lot of volatility and stayed up there. As soon as this 15-minute candle closed, I got in. Now, I held this because, like I said, I saw that V pattern that was there, kind of thinking the momentum shifting, and this would be a good reversal point. So I got in here, and I'm also been experimenting with scaling in too. So on the demo account, I got in a few times at this level. Show you why. So on the 15-minute, boom, right on the close above that EMA. Went over to 30-minute, started watching on 30-minute, had a very strong closer on 30-minute, got in again right here. But also, this 30-minute was also the close of this hour, and look at this bullish pin bar right here. So I got in again. I got in twice at this level. So I'm in this trade 3 times total. And yeah, because I mean that gave me a whole bunch of confidence when I saw this hour candle. This hour candle, I was like, this is the move. Here we go. It's about to happen. And I held on, and we rode this to the top. Did pretty good on the top because I was watching up here. We had completely blown out this structure here that we had going on. So even when we got up here and this happened, we came back below the EMA. I still had confidence this was going higher because guess what? Broke structure. My setup is the retest, right? That's what I'm practicing. Had that retest, it held, and I had this closure again. Right? So I was able to enter this trade one more time as this rode up to here. Again, when this happened, started looking, right? I wasn't getting the follow through that I wanted, and after taking a closer look, I can see that we almost came up to 144.5, which again is a psychological level for this pair. So I saw that, and I got out of my trade, which I'm glad I did because that was 11 o'clock on Friday, and it ended up getting a little pullback and going sideways from there. So. Yeah, that's it, guys. That is literally my strategy, and it ended up paying off. So basically, just paint this clearly. My strategy is literally following price action, right? Waiting for it to break structure, come back, retest structure, and continue on my trade. So very simple. This is nothing fancy. This is nothing new. But instead of watching the markets move and entering it, right? As soon as I get the confirmation that it's going to continue with the pattern that it's been showing me, I'm making that execution, and I'm riding that as best as I can, using that Fibonacci for take profit levels estimated. And yeah, going from there. So just going to be posting more videos like this, again, to keep myself honest, make sure I'm executing the way I need to be, and if it ends up working out, great. If not, I said don't take my advice because I'm not a professional. But good luck to you guys. Thanks.